Low voltage wiring will involve the requirement of different sizes or gauges of wire, depending on the load that it feeds, or more precisely, the amperage that it will have to carry. Wire sizes are categorized by a standard in North America known as the American Wire Gauge, or AWG. This is a measurement of the thickness of the wire, which also dictates the cross-sectional area and, for a given material, ampacity. For example, 24 AWG wire has a nominal diameter of 0.0201 inches or 0.511 millimeters. Note that steel wire is measured by a different gauge. AWG only applies to wires used to conduct electricity. These two charts describe the characteristics and capabilities of the various wire gauges of copper wire. The chart on the left is the current carrying capacity of the various copper conductors. For example, for a load that draws 15 amps, number 14 AWG wire is required. The chart on the right, with descending numbers in diameters, indicate the resistance of the wire in ohms per foot. This is only significant for long runs of cable.
This graphic depicts 5 examples of NMD wire of various gauges from number 14 gauge up through number 10 gauge, in 2 and 3 wire configurations, along with their required breaker ratings. You will notice the individual wire colors that are found in these type of wires that are rated for 120, 240 volts. This bottom chart shows the color coding for the individual wires found in cable conductors for 3 and single-phase cables, at 120, 240 volts and 277, 480 volts, including color-coded ground and bare copper ground. Keep in mind though, that color codes, although generally found like this, are not necessarily an absolute standard, and variations may and do exist.
Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my stand store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB. In order to help you with your holiday orders, we're excited to announce a new promotion for the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Power Bank series, launching in both the United States and in Canada. This campaign features an extra 20% off on selected items, making it a great opportunity to highlight 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂's portable charging solutions during this final sales window of the year. In the United States, for 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂's Power Bank series, you can get an extra 20% off on selected items from December 23rd to December 31st. Simply connect to this link, https://us.ekoflow.com/collections/powerbank. And in Canada, for 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂's Power Bank series, you can also get a 20% off on selected items from December 23rd to December 31st simply by connecting to this link, https://ca.ekoflow.com/collections/powerbank.